cause he said something. He don't wanna play them games, I heard you said something. You was scared at first, now you talking that shit. Now you scared again, cause you got the duct tape on your lips. I see the trickle from the sweat off your temple. You don't play them games, we know you sentimental. So your picture, your sister told you we gon' get her. Put a pistol in her mouth, burn the picture. Now he scared, got him shaking. Ain't no evidence, he can't make no statement. Duct tape around your mouth, body in the trunk. So some bells, I'm off to get them off.
Bumming fluid, acid, nigga, motherfucking 18 gallons. Give me a 10, watch I burn his ass. Give me a torch or a 40, 30, 32, 2, 3, and swing wide on your street and fucking smoke his ass. Walk down the creep up or swing wide, pull up on you, get a bitch just to get close to you, nigga. Yeah, bad man, bad, hell yeah, I'm a badass and still touching body bags and grass.
Bad man, grabs hand and I can grab man. Body bag his ass, strong arm with a little hand. Give a fuck about your middleman, hit him in the middle, man. Take a spitting just a little man. Aim it to the side and hit your friend just because. He ain't know what it was. He say, what's up, cuz? And I'm a blood. Only nigga who call me cuz is my cuz. Get it, blood? Nigga know I was a thug before I knew I was a thug.
Only time you hear me saying thug when I'm with my gangsters at. But since you already know, the nigga keep a thinking cap. Glock 40 with the damn hollows and the thinking that. Hit you in your fucking nose and your face where you thinking at. Dome shot, 4 for your forehead. Goddamn dome shot, 2 shots, nigga, he dead. 4 shots, 5 shit, goddamn niggas, they fled. 2 shots, 3 pop, nigga gone fucking I fled.
Burn out at the trigger, say I got an itchy finger. I got a extended finger. And I'ma get it, turn him into a singer. Extended clip, tag his ass, he's sweet. Make the cream come out that zinger. Ain't want him hit him games, aim at his edge up. You was talking, now what you said, bro. Nostril, put a temper to it, mush your nose in. I want the clothes, I want the money, I want the fucking dough, man.
First time you come in the wrong like your bitch, I'm fed up. Play with it wrong and your ass will get filled up, tuned up, strapped up. Throw him in the truck. Goddamn, nigga, I'm talking about 86 right on my Mad Max will come and get you, man. Chop you up, put your damn head in the ceiling fan just to get you, man. Yeah, I say the nigga in the roof and the attic shit. I'm going up there for the damn cat.
Put his body in the bathroom so everything won't splatter. The mess won't matter.
How you get there? The rat-a-tat-tatter.